Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data and creating recovery media, because fixes can change system files. Once the backup is complete, make a Windows 10 recovery USB using the media creation tool on an 8 GB drive. Next, reboot into safe mode using settings update and security recovery, or hold Shift and choose Restart. This isolates drivers and services. Doing this first prevents further damage and lets you run diagnostics and targeted repairs without background interference. Once in safe mode, run System File Checker to repair corrupted files. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano because it replaces damaged system files. If SFC reports unrepaired issues, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fetch healthy components. Make sure to inspect Device Manager for driver conflicts and Event Viewer for error codes. Replace or roll back problematic drivers. These steps fix most stability problems by restoring system integrity. After repairs, reboot normally and confirm the system is stable. If issues return, uninstall recent apps or updates one at a time to isolate the culprit. If stability still fails, use your recovery USB to perform a system restore or reset this PC while keeping files. Once fixed, run Windows Update to apply patches and create a fresh restore point so you can revert easily later. If something goes wrong, safe mode repeats and recovery USB restore are your quickest fallback options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.